Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video we are going to see how we can edit media files in WordPress. You can manage all the information about your media that is saved in the media library. To edit media, click on Media. After that click on Library. And click on the name of the media item. As you can see a list of media files. Select any one image to edit. You can view the Edit Media page with few options on the right side. URL. You can read only a link from media file. Title. This displays the name of the media. Permalink. Permalink is the URL of the media attachment page. This is also a link to view the attachment page. Edit Image button. This allows you to edit the image position, such as rotate counterclockwise, rotate clockwise, scale, crop, flip vertically, and flip horizontally. Caption. A brief explanation of the media. Alternate text. The alt text for the image, which is used to describe media. Used for availability. Description. An explanation of your media file. Delete permanently. Delete your media file permanently. Once you complete editing the required fields, click on Update button to save the changes made to an image. So this is how you can edit any media files in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. And I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.